Oke, for the first, ini adalah video dokumentasi untuk nge-save seberapa jauh sih pemahaman yang kuingat tentang video AWS, maksudnya tentang video AWS yang udah aku pahamin. And now maybe I will mix in English because uh, much people say if you can speaking in English with something something case, you can be more focused in the case. Okay, so I know I have a bad language in here, but so I don't know. And this moment I will share you how I using AWS or Amazon Web Service for my training of what this is WhatsApp or nothing, for my training to be competition in my country. And this is two part of the video. In this video I will explain about security group in AWS Educate and key pair, and the next is AWS instance or EC2 instance, and next I will have case again with load balancing and auto scaling. After it, we can be using bin pledge. Nothing bin pledge, but that is bin stalk. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys. Before we go to be the AWS, you must to log in the first to be AWS, and you can go just say AWS in Google, and this is the previous website, nothing previous website. This is the uh, official website of AWS education, sorry, of Amazon Web Service. And now because I'm logging it in this website, I just go to consult, and if I go to consult, I will redirecting to here. But okay, let's now we talk about AWS. The first, if you after you login in AWS Educate, you must be make to learn what is AWS. But I not can say what is AWS to you. I just can be go to start how to be make instance. But the first before you get to here, please come back to be here. Okay, this is can I change this to English? Okay, US. What is UK? Okay, this is the first page. If you open the console of AWS Educate of Amazon Web Service. Okay, AWS Educate is Amazon Web Service but for student. AWS Educate, Amazon Web Service Education, Educate. Oke, sorry. Mungkin teman-temanku yang dengar ini atau teman-temanku yang mendengar atau nonton video ini, kalian gabut sekali karena kalian nonton video ini. But that is my job. Okay, the first we can go to here, or this is AWS have a much service for we use, but now we just go to this, and this is computer service or cloud computing service, and go to EC2. And guys, after you go to EC2, you will get this dashboard. And now scroll down to be security group and pass here. I have three this is a default security group AWS generate for you. But if you want to be more powerful using AWS, you must go to make a new of a new of a what of a security group. But before it, I will whiteboard. I will get to here. I find whiteboard online. So sorry, also this free whiteboard online. So guys, in AWS Educate, not in okay, come on. If I say AWS Educate, that mean is Amazon Web Service. Sorry. In my Amazon Web Service security group, I have 3 security group. The first is load balancing security group. I say this is load B. Okay, and if we have a load B security group or load balancing security group, we must make again security group with name of instance. This is a single of security group for your EC2 instance, and the last is RDS, or RDS is database from AWS generating to you. So why this is so RDS? Where this is so have to have 3 of step? Because here, if we are using load balancing and auto scaling, that is can be used for another website or another computer with a intranch, but we not must to be make new security group for instance, because the security group is always same because we using load balancing and auto scaling. But now I will get to you how to build this. Okay, get back to be my AWS console. Now I have load balancing cache and EC2 one. This is the load balancing cache is this, and EC2 one is this, and this and this. Okay, we can to try again how to build the security group for load balancing the first, and go to here, click here, and say this is LB SC, or that is load balancing security group, and this is say your description about this security group. This is load balancing security group. After that, don't move anything about this is VPG. Next is your setting inbound. In this inbound, you just go to open HTTP and get here to anywhere IP. Guys, please make again of nothing about next inbound traffic. You are using HTTP access, but if you have this, but if you're using this security access, you must go to have a custom domain. You can buying it if you are in Indonesia, you can buying it on a wire, on the hostinger, Niaga hoster, or anywhere the company selling the security, nothing selling a domain. But right now we not get to here, and after that go to here and add tag for you memorizing, not memorizing, for you memorize, or you for your memorize about where is the what is this. Okay, sorry, but this is I will get to say that environment is LB atau load balancing. Okay, I just say that and I create, but I have a security group in the last, just because that I will not to build this. And after that, we must to be have one security group is the load balancing security group. If you want to read about the case, or you can read about inbound your security group or anything, you can go to checklist or point your security group, and in the button section, you can get the detail of your security group like this. So security group name is load balancing case. What is DB? Load DB case. I don't know. This is, but using I using this for get many traffic from HTTP. So you can edit here and like this HTTP and HTTP. So nothing, someone come to here. Okay, don't mind about it. Or maybe someone, ada orang di depan. Not okay. Just my mean or just my feeling. I'm out of feelings. Carry on about it. Close, and next is make a EC2 instance security group. Create there and say so I say enct sc like this. This is a simple name. This is instance security group. So just only like this, come to here. So this is what you can see. Apa browsingersnya berbeda? This is perbedaan of security group from of a load balancing security group and intense security group. Because in intense security group you can add role and scroll to be HTTP, but in here we not using custom or anywhere or my IP, but we using the security group of the load balancing case. That is my mean about from load balancing go to intense. Okay, that is my purpose. And say this, click, and after it close. And the next is you must get to SSH traffic. So like this, and here you say anywhere and get tag. Don't forget inv and say this is what this is. This inc security group. Just only like this, and you must click here, but I click here. Okay, carry on about it. Because I have this load balancing cache. But why I say this name is load DB cache? Carry on about it. Buat buat security. This buat SC, this for cache EC2. And the last is I'm going to here and make the last security group for the RDS security group. And say this RDS security. This is area security group, and scroll down and add role. And this is you can find Aurora and like this. Aurora, don't change any port, just say this anywhere. And sorry, that is not anywhere, this is not custom. This intends to your this is requirement. This is his parent is EC2 ONS or your intent security group, and then change any here, don't forget for insert and create here, and I say cancel. Okay, maybe I not can say cancel, but I go to here, create again, RDS underscore RC, and say this is RDS security group. After it, don't change that. Add rule, go say Aurora or MySQL, and here bounds to your bounds to your EC2 security group. Add a tag for you not forget the tag is this is a security access for RDS. Okay, just like create, and if you have create a new security group and success, that is the mining of the session. Okay, close it and go to security group. And where are you go now? Okay, we have what is this? ONC3, we have 3 permission. Oh, this is if you're using HTTP access, you can get to access of HTTP, because this is have 3 permission, because we have 2 HTTP access and 1 SSH. So like this, HTTP SSH. Why? Okay, about it, because this is just bound to be where to be the load balancing cache, and this is for anywhere, and that's for the local machine. But if we are looking for this, we have to HTTP inbound. Okay, just only like this. So now nothing, because we have this security group. Scroll the up or down. Okay, sorry. Oh, nothing done. We go to key pair. So in this key pair, I have 1 key pair about the how to access my intent from SS access. But here I forget where I'm save my key, because that I just only delete this peer, and I say delete. Nothing say, I just click. Okay, the success to delete key pair. And next is creating new key pair, and say this is Agustinus underscore key pair. And maybe I recommended create a PAM file and add tag. I say anv, this is my key pair. Okay, key pair. So like this, and create your key pair. And after that, maybe you will download someone key pair. So go to here, download, and like my main. I have the download security group access, but now I just copy this to my desktop account, and click here and paste here, and get down. Okay, funny. Okay, I remove but I just changed name to be Agustinus Keypam. Guys, please install if you're using Windows, please install git bash for your SSA access, because we can using CMD and PowerShell, but I like Linux comments, because that I just have nothing, I want to be using HTTP, I want to using git bash command. Okay, I just want to make this a big or side. Okay, just only like this, and get back to here. And after we go to here, we have a bunch of Agustinus key pairs. But the next case is go to instance. So guys, we have 3 of security group, like load balancing case, instance case, and RDS case. Nothing case, but security group. Okay, sorry about it. And we have 1 key pair of your name setting like this. This is my key ID. After this video I upload in YouTube, I maybe will be shut down my key pair, maybe. And go to instance. Here we can launch a new instance, but I just waiting why this is loading. So if I reload this page, how will be doing? Reload. Oh, I not have anything because that I launching a new instance, and here we can choose what distro we can using. But right now I just using a Ubuntu server with 20 and XT4 LTS. Select your instance, and this is I can use this TC2 small, T2 micro, and after that I go to here, and here guys, it's just your subnet. Maybe you can use I will use A. You can randomly. After that, go to down, and just only it for this time. And now is wait, maybe I forget something. Nothing. And go to here. There's someone here. And after you go to here, you can change this value or not. I'm not. I'm using default, and this is your tag. Add your tag for you not forget what you make. I say this is the first INC or instance. So next is create a group and select your security group. Here select your ENC security group, EC2 instance security group. Okay, sorry about it. I select this and review and launch. So don't forget here. If you are looking like this, you must go to change. This is select setting security group and choose your EC2 and review and launch. And we must do review again. Why this is comments? Because you're not using a free tier instance or that, and this is because we using HTTP. Amazon is recommendedly using HTTPS. Okay, and launch. Choose your key pair, and here choose extending key pair, and I knowledge about it. And we must go just to waiting for the instance. So if we come to here, sorry about it. If come to here, now we have one only instance. So I just name this the another INC first. INC first or INC FINC like this, and I save. So after it, we go to where? We go to load balancing case. Okay, in this load balancing case, we create a new load balancing if you are not have any group of load balancing case. So here, what is this? Classic load balancing case. Oh, uh, tomorrow I just looking 3 of load balancing, but now we have 4. That mine of AWS so very fast. Fuck it. And go to here using HTTP and HTTP access case and create. So in this case, we can make a new security group with a simple name, just LB underscore C1. Can he create like this? And listener just HTTP, and you can to be remember this. If you want to using one server connection, you just can click one. But in this moment, because I want to be try I want to be try to be this is a very cool. Here. Okay, this is in inch, and this is come to here, like this. The person one access here with IP or not with ID 1. But if he close the session and he access again, he not come to here, but he come to get to the second server with ID 2. Come to close the session and come to here with ID 3, and after go to ID 3, he can back to here with ID 4. So that's a random in bunch. So I will clear this session. Oh well, how to make this blank again? Okay, here. Okay, wait again. We say this is LB load balancing, and make again, and make again. This is RDS, and this is INC, and we change the traffic like oh no, this is a background. What the fuck? Oh, here, this bonds to here, and here, and this bond to here, and here. So I have any WhatsApp? Nothing. Next case, I will go to funny. Okay, the next case I will go to make this 2 of the case A and B. And next guys, I get a tag say A and B. This first load B length. This is load, the first load balancing. And next configure, we can not using that, uses LBC1. So this is improve security listener, and go to next case and create extension group. So guys, we create a load balancing security group with this load balancing case. So create and register. So its name is back again. Say the name security target group is LBC1 and plus G, because this is a group. I just plus G because I something forget what this is. If the name is not have any berbeda, tidak ada bedanya. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya perbedaan? And this. Now we and the few minutes and the last minutes we make we make a new instance, and now the status instance is running. Now we register the instance with port 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 80. 80 or 18. Forget. And sorry. Why? Remove. If you click this point and now click add register. So like this. And after you register your instance, you next with review page. You can read again your load balancing case, and after that you create if you not have any trouble. So we now have a new group of load balancing case. So we have one LBC, and go to target group. We have one. Oh yeah, we have one LBC. If you want to be looking the LBC, we have one target. So what is target? The target is this. So now we back again to be load balancing case. Sorry, we go to instant case, and now click here. The simply how to connect this cloud computing to your local computer. Just click and say connect. Now we go to as a client, and simply just click here copy. Just copy that, and I just me in desktop NXILS main Agustinus. I have my keypad in desktop, so I just paste this as so. Why this? Back again to here, and I copy my page and my SSR comments, and go to here, click and paste, enter. Oh, why? Maybe I'm wrong. Oh yeah, this is SSR, E. Okay, paste here and enter this. And if you have a question like this, so just say yes, nothing say. You click. Okay, now we go to connect to your SSR. So like this, the storage, we have 8 gigabyte of storage, and using 16.4%, and memory using 11%. So now we can install a new Apache server. So why? How to install Apache server? I do not think how to install Apache server because I'm looking at tutorial. So where is I'm looking the tutorial is I go to Moodle. So in Moodle, Moodle MOODL. My local learning using Moodle. Why? Moodle install Ubuntu like this, maybe. What is my Linux? What is this Linux? Okay, Sam. This is the Linux 2.1, 2.2. Go. This is a documentation of Moodle, and go to here. Scroll down, and this is how to install in Ubuntu. This is the first command, but if you have Vim in your build instead, you not must to install again. And this is copy the step 2. But before you say that, you just say you must update your local dependency with sudo apt update like this. And this is so fast, man. This is so fast. And after you create this session, now this save to you, paste the code and enter. So right now I'm enter this. I just back again to be my load balancing case, and go to here, come to load balancing. If I get to be scroll down here, this is the DNS, this is my DNS name. I copy this. If I open this DNC, I not have anything because this is the bad gateway. So if I'm waiting minutes for use for the nothing for use for the Apache install with waiting 3% again. So waiting did, and after that I reload, and now I'm install my Apache server in my cloud computing. So this is so simple for install Apache server because I'm using Model Lake. Model Lake. What is Model Lake? So the next is install PHP dependency from your Apache for your Apache server, and just like this and enter. Not have any, but where? Okay, just say yes, and we just must waiting before nothing before because we are waiting. I will get my script. Where are you? Rizky. Mana sih Rizky? This is the script for you to be get your instance ID. So like this, guys, nothing, guys. Click here, or maybe I just open. This is a PHP script for check what is your instance ID. So where here reload, nothing have any change, not any change. I'm just ls, and where is the public HTML of the Apache server in Ubuntu? You just cd to var www, where? Yes, just for www and ls. Now we have one folder with name HTML. This is your public public repository for your what? For your what? For your server Apache, for your Apache server. Okay, so ls this, and this, because this is a HTML file, we make again with command nano, or maybe because we make a file we just say touch with sudo. Don't forget, because we open a public nothing. About it, sorry. I the first to change this to be chmod in R777 or maybe 775.5, and go to here and say I see skies of grip, da, 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 da. Nothing like that. But I just say HTML. So what wrong? Chmod mod, like this. So if I ls my repository, if I looking this is a white text, and this is a green text, because that's open for anyone. So now I just touch index.php file ls. Oh, permission denied. Why? Oh, funny. Maybe I just open this with root file, so I just say sudo su. We not get to insert a password, and just to be touch what I want to touch. I touch index.php file and enter. What is IP file? I'm just np. Yeah, why is IP file? I just mp index.php to be index.php, just like this. And now we have one file with the name index.php, and now we go just nano index.php, funny, nano index.php, and now click here and paste your thing have any code. Clear again and back to here, and you can now I change this I changed to sorry, your file is does not detect. Like this, I copy this script and go to here and paste the script and using Ctrl and X and say yeah and enter. Now we have one file index.php with name, what name, with name, why, with name index.php, and back to Ubuntu server and reload this. Oh, nothing any change. Nothing any change because we must to be changed of index.html file to be something to be anyone. I just say not index.html file like this, just only like this, and reload this. Now we looking the EC2 instance ID. This ID is here. Where are you? Where? Okay, like this. This ID is your instance ID, like nothing like. In this is I08D. I08D. That is your instance ID. So I have any WhatsApp? Not. That is your instance ID, and after this we have to create one only instance. Okay. Now if we have create one instance, waiting, maybe I forget something. No. Okay. If we have one what is this? One ME file, nothing ME file, one of instance or cloud computing are funny. Now go to here and action. In this we have image and template. In this image and template you create new template with your instance. So what I mean of this, I just mind to be create instance, because if you create instance you like copy your CPU and paste your CPU, and after that you have two CPU with same spec and same program and same. I don't know what I say, so sorry about it. Go to any, say again any img of inc, any img.inc. Okay, so who is he? He not coming to here. Okay, don't carry about it. So description is this is me from where? From inc, and go to here, nothing add volume, nothing tag image, and just take the .env here and say this is new, and just only first IMI, maybe just only like this, and dang, now you have to create image. So where we can see where is my AMI. So sorry, where is my image? If you want to find your image, you just go to image, and this is we have a AMI's what is this? Top down, nothing top down. AMI of what? AMI of menu, and just click the AMI. After you click the AMI, what is AMI? AMI is Emilia? No. We must do this is visibility is violet. This visibility is private, and status is pending. So if want to be create we have to be create load balancing, try again. We have to create a new security group, we have to create a key pair, we have to create instance, and we have to create ME. Now we go to we go to auto scaling. Now here we can make with server is always running. So what is my mind about it? I don't know. Because I using a random word for say what I feel, what I want to feel, what I want to say, blah 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 blah. So guys, in this case we have in sample case we have three of computer or cloud computing with online case. See, always online, but if the someone is broken, or maybe we not can access again the server, with auto scaling we can make again uh, 1-inch automate created for change this broken what broken instance, and the configure is same like the other. So that is very tricky. So with auto scaling group we can back again and create new launch of the scaling group, and this name is the case under of auto scaling, name of create auto scaling, and choose your IME. Forget, we must to be waiting for your ME is until ready. This is of this status is pending. Maybe this video is not, maybe this video can be so long, maybe baby I don't never for the phone. How if apa yang akan terjadi jika aku menyetel musik dalam video YouTube? I don't know, but just only waiting here and go to who is his, not come to here, launch instance. Maybe I will promotion my software, but my software is offline. Okay, because we are writing his, I just can to promotion my software. This is my software. The name of software is my apps. So my software is my apps. This is created by what? By watch? By nothing. By watch. This created by Cordova. This is Android, nothing Android application. This is a what? This is what? This is what I want to say. This is a desktop application. If I back again, where I close that, I'm come to here. This is simply login for using this labs. This labs, the main is the my school lab, or be laboratorium for using a computer. Student can be brown the computer, but not can be brown and get the computer back to home. Just brown and using the computer in this lab. So in this software, I just say my name is who I am. Can be using this PC. I just say my name is Agustinus, like this. Agustinus, and go to here. In here I say I am is grade what I 11, yes 11, from RPL 1 like this, and go to my absent is my number absent is 1. So what is my PC number? My PC number is 30 30 30 13 30 or 13, so like this. So for what I using this computer, I using this computer for make this video. Okay, like this, and I send the repository. Okay, halo Agustinus, bijak dalam penggunaan lab, gunakan komputer. Nomor 13, jaga kebersihan serta komputer. Okay, after we login, aware. So here, we available, but I want to end my promotion. So I just go to my IP of server address and I just say admin like this. And because I have login, I have this page. This is a dashboard page. This is online what? Online what? This is online user. Guys, nothing guys. This is online user. This data from where people active active his computer in this lab. So I have active anymore this computer restart and turn off, because that I have many login here. This is now my data, and this is the last my data. Go to this history of using, and here we have to be look at time of people login from the website or from the computer like this. So the first login is from where? From yesterday. Yesterday, just like this, and go to just only that. This is have plugin with Laravel admin. Thank you very much, Laravel admin, because you are helping for my developer software. Just only like this. This is our desktop application and send data to this website application. So just only like this, my promotion, and now I get to close this and back to my back to here, and because this available, I scroll down and go to load balance. Go to auto scaling and create new launch. So say this is auto. What is auto? Auto scaling or ATC as auto scaling, and choose your IME. This is I have a meme any image and INC, and choose type of your intent. So the last, if the nothing the last, in the last minutes we make the server with T2 small, but now we make that with T2 micro, because this is a free tier. So because this is a free tier, T2 micro, and we chose this, and now we nothing have anything. This is the optional, just only like this. What is this? IME profile. Nothing. Why? How to cancel? Maybe not have anything. That I'll go to advanced, meta response, launch configured, nothing any change. Using root, nothing any change. SS rule, SSA. In this security group, we create this and go to using the EC2 instance security group. So choose my key pair and go to here, and just your key pair name is my name. Who is my name? My name is key pair name. Nothing create key pair, just only just a new key pair, and just the Agus key pair or your key pair, and create and launch. So this is the group of auto scaling, and click this. In this we have to action and create auto scaling group. In this auto scaling group we make a new name of auto scaling. So before this before this we go to launch and give this auto scaling name with ATCS. And now if you are click this and action and create auto scaling group and say ATGS G for remember this auto scaling group remember this is auto scaling group ATC, and reload here, select ATC. Maybe you not must to reload. And next, in this we are using default, and in the subnet we make to be two subnet with A and B. So like what not watching, just looking here, A and B. Optional if you want to set a C, but I just want to set A and B. And next, here we attachments load balancing. So what this is, I don't know, I forget what this is. So because this LCB1 with HTTP, what this is LCB1G, maybe I think this is load balancing. Oh yeah, this is the load balancing group. Just this because he can like my nothing like my purpose, like my definition. The load balancing will be can and send to here, here, and here, because that we must to be register that to be the load balancing cache. Okay, checking the your server field is healthy or not in 30 seconds, and enabling group metric, what is this, and maybe not, and go to here, and this is we have to set what we want to make of we server. So if I say I want to make a free server with minimum capacity online to server and maximal capacity is online 3 server. So just only like this. And what is tracking? What is maybe not, but I don't know. Enable nothing. Instance scaling in protection optional. Maybe not. Next, add notification. Oh, in this notification we not insert any notification. And next, and here add text and add text text plus s text. What is text? Oh, so funny. Just add v and say this is the first auto scaling group. Just only like this. And next, go down. Don't forget for read. Again, after you read, you can create. In this is auto scaling is updating dependency. We must waiting the scaling for updating the dependency if we are want to be look at like what the dependency will be run. So like this ITC is run maybe. So if go to here, this is activity, create notification, send to launch instant pre-launch service. What this is automatic scaling. Oh, what is this instance manager? Okay, monitoring, nothing, anything. Enter, but instance manager, I have WhatsApp, nothing. And if we go to here, instance, now in the last minutes we just make one of one, nothing. We just make one of a what of instance, and now we have four instance. Because what? Because we make uh, three instance again for insert the auto scaling to be load balancing case. So scroll down and go to load balancing. In this load balancing, we have a one load balancing with nothing any with one of group, and the target group is we have one a target group. And if we are looking this target group, scroll down, we have four capacity. So we have to change this to this drop target, and now we have to three server with online. The uh, connection name is A, and B. So A, B, access A, B. So like this is auto, nothing auto scaling. This is load balancing access. Yes, this is just only connection. Guys, we have to make auto scaling and scroll down to be load balancing. Now we copy this. Maybe we must copy, and now we have the link, but we can paste again like this. So this is I0FEE, and go to here. The server with me is the last server, and if I reload again, 100C 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 what 100C2B 100C2B, the third server give response to me. And now I0 D1 A08 D1, the first server give to me, and I reload again, and IOC the what is this the second server give to me. But how if I terminate the server, or I remove the server like this? I'm terminate the server. So like this, if you are terminate your server, you not can have any again. But if I waiting for any time this server is total fully removed from, nothing total fully, just total terminate from my security group, he will be create a new instance with sense program like what you want to be will create. So like this, we have one terminate, we have two terminate, we have three terminate, and the last maybe just three terminate, maybe. Sorry about it. If I reload this page, the auto scaling group create a new instance. So maybe I will to be scroll down. Maybe I will to be back to here and reload this. Oh, because the status is pending, he not be make the what is the make the what the instance. He not reload the instance like this. We just waiting for instance ready with these two micro like this. We just waiting, ha 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 ha. hope this is not copyright. So go to target, and we have for instance this is healthy, and after this terminate, you can remove from this target. So back again to instance. Now we have one server running with I0C1. If I reload this is initialize, reload this, that we have one server back to be get my one. So just waiting, and the last server is creating like this. His name is now he's running. Why I say his? So like this, I reload this one ICOB. Oh, why he not one IC reload? This is he's ready, and this the SSH nothing. This is the HTTP access like this. Okay, this is the case of the auto scaling load balancing. Sorry. This is the case of the how to be create your server with AWS or Amazon Web Service EC2 with instance, AMI, security group, key pair, load balancing, and auto scaling. And now I forget for giving you now how to be use the areas. Maybe I not will be say in that's here, sorry. Forget for it, seriously. But if you want to using, you simply like this, you go to here, yes, go to here, and connection here, get the SSH client. But if I doing this, I just doing that for one scale, not in one scale. I just using that for one instance group. I just using that for E1 of C, because the server is reloading from here. I must to be change this AMI if I want to change all of the scaling, but don't mind about it. This is just sample how we use RDS database. So in the last time we install Apache model server, and because we install Apache, what is this? Ubuntu, nothing Ubuntu. What is, why connection is closed? Oh, please login user Ubuntu. Ubuntu, I forget. Ubuntu. If I login like this, I'm not join. I'm coming to the server, and I ls, and I go to this slash nothing slash var. I just say my SQL mean v. So we not have my SQL mean v. Now we have nothing on my SQL. Why? But maybe just only maybe. But this is my trouble. I forget how to check of the MySQL access. Maybe in the next video I will catch that, and in the next video I will I will what? I will say to you how to make this simply with a bean stop with elastic bean stop. Just using this for all of your application. In the next video, I will to be what? I will to be cast the video for this AWS service. So I will end this video and see you on nothing. I not can see you. See me. You not can see me because I not have camera. Okay. Goodbye. Bye.